Alright, so you're looking for an easy way to make money online. Well, you have to download an app, totally free, worldwide, and all you have to do is just go to... What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you one app that you can download for free and get paid up to $600 or more. This is worldwide. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna show you here one totally free app that you can download to your phone, get started, to listen to music and get paid up to $600 or more. This is worldwide, as I said. I'm gonna share with you all the details here, but first a disclaimer: results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. If you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. So make sure you stick till the end here so you don't miss out on any important information. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is my IM Tips. It is related to make money online, internet marketing and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at as soon as we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at how we can earn up to $600 or even more by simply listening to music. Let's go! Alright guys, so you can see here I am at the desktop. First, it is available on both App Store and Google Play, and you can clearly see that play music to earn up to $600 per year. So it's definitely not much, but it is a great way to make some extra money online. As I said, once again, make sure you have a look at my #1 recommendation if you are serious and interested to make a full-time passive income online. Let's move on a little bit here. You can see it says play, earn and spend. Alright, so you earn more points the more you play actually. Now if I scroll down a little bit, you can see here that you can search and play from 100,000 plus radio stations. How cool is that? You earn points by playing your favorite music, and of course you spend your points on your favorite brands here. So if I just have a look at it here, you can see that almost every country is available more or less here. Alright, so if I just scroll down quickly, you can see that this is definitely making it a worldwide opportunity. So if I scroll down a little bit, there are some frequently asked questions here, so let's have a quick look at these. First one, it says, how do I earn? The more you play, the more you earn. Everyone who signs up can play curated radio stations in current and earn in-app points called points. During the media playback, you will encounter several opportunities to generate points. We're constantly adding more ways to earn, so look out for important updates. So it might happen when you sign up, when you watch this video, that there is more opportunities to earn even more money actually. Alright, let's move on to the next question here. How do I spend my points? Points can be spent in various ways. We're starting with an in-app premium feature that grants users the ability to record music for offline usage, and we'll be adding gift cards, cash out features and CRNC tokens in the coming months here. The next question is, how do I earn more per play? With every tap of the play button you can earn points. The speed at which you earn is based on how much of your profile has been completed and how long you are consuming. Our most valuable users play frequently and share preferences generously, and we want to reward them for their contributions. And here they do also explain on how you can get music offline, and there is more frequently asked questions. Basically, I'm not going to bore you here, because if you want to have a look at all this before you sign up, well, all you have to do is just go to current.us. current.us. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to open up here in a new tab, actually on Google Play, so we can have a look at it here also. And you can see here you earn cash and money rewards, current music screen. So if I open it up here, basically it says that you earn cash, yes, real cash rewards, and you get paid money and gift cards. So get current free music app and earn money by listening to music. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this to actually make money online. So everyone loves earning cash money rewards. Are you looking for a perfect side cash app, want to earn some extra money rewards, and this is a new way to make side cash on your phone? Once again, they emphasize that you can make only some extra money, okay? You're not going to be rich, and it's definitely not something that will make you a full-time passive income online. So basically, once again, make sure to check out my #1 recommendation. But I think that I'm not going to bore you here. I don't think there is actually any reason for me. If you are interested, you can go ahead and get started to read through everything. But what I would do is just go to Google Play or iOS if you are on an iPhone, download the app, and of course get started with it. So you can see here they do have some frequently asked questions here also. And you can see here, if I scroll down a little bit, it has 4.4 in the review section, so I would say that this is definitely a good app here. So there you have it. Really easy way to make money online. You just download the app, simple and straightforward, totally free, worldwide, as I said in the beginning here, and get started to get paid for listening to music. Now, you're not going to get rich with this app here, so if you are interested, as I said earlier, in making a full-time passive income online, build a real, long-term, sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you get some value here, make sure to smash that like button below, I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Hit that notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation at the end screen here also. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.